Hey everyone, welcome back to channel name. Today, we're diving into the psychology of absence, how to create a void so powerful that they can't help but miss you. We're not talking about manipulation, we're talking about understanding human nature and using that knowledge to create deeper, more meaningful connections. It's natural to miss something once it's gone, but what if you could make someone miss you even when you're still in their life? The key lies in the subtle art of creating space, maintaining mystery, and enhancing your value. First up, scarcity. The more available you are, the less valuable you seem. It's simple supply and demand. When you make yourself a little less available, people start to crave your presence. But remember, this isn't about playing hard to get, this is about focusing on your own life, your own growth, and naturally creating a bit of distance. Invest time in yourself. Pursue your passions. When you're not always at their beck and call, they'll start to realize what they're missing. Your time is precious, make sure they know that. Next, leave them wanting more. Whether it's in conversation, during a date, or even a text exchange, always end on a high note. This creates anticipation. You want them to look forward to the next time they see or hear from you. Think of it like a TV show season finale, don't give everything away. A little mystery goes a long way in making them think about you long after you're gone. Gratitude is powerful. Show appreciation when it's deserved, but don't overdo it. When you acknowledge the little things they do, they feel valued. But if you're constantly showering them with praise, it can lose its impact. A sincere thank you or a genuine compliment will make them feel good, and they'll start associating those positive feelings with you. It's a subtle way to make your presence unforgettable. Finally, become a part of their routine. When you consistently show up in someone's life, even in small ways, you become woven into the fabric of their day. Whether it's a morning text, a weekly phone call, or regular hangouts, being a constant presence makes your absence more noticeable. When you're suddenly not there, they'll feel that gap. It's this subtle but effective strategy that can make someone realize just how much they miss you. So there you have it, 4 powerful strategies to make them miss you badly. Remember, this isn't about manipulation. It's about enhancing your own value and making your presence something to be cherished. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on relationships and personal growth. Until next time, take care and value your time, it's the most precious thing you have.